Hello friends, welcome back to the another video lecture of software engineering subject. In previous video lecture we have discussed about introduction of DevOps. In today's video lecture we will discuss features of DevOps. So these four are the features of DevOps architecture: automation, configuration management, integration and collaboration. Okay. So first one is automation. Automation can be reduced time consumption, especially during the testing and deployment phase. The productivity increases and releases are made quicker by automation. This will lead and catching bugs quickly so that it can be fixed easily. For continuous delivery, each code is defined through automated test, cloud-based services and builds. This promotes producing using automated deploys. Second feature is collaboration. The deployment, or we can say development and operations team collaborate as a DevOps team, which improves the cultural model as the team become more productive with their productivity, which strengthens accountability and ownership. The teams share their responsibility and work closely in synchronization, which in turns make the deployment to production faster. Third one is integration. Application need to be integrated with other components in the environment. The integration phase is where the existing code is combined with new functionality and then tested. Continuous integration and testing enable continuous development. The frequency in the release and microservice lead to significant operational changes. To overcome such problems, continuous integration and delivery are implemented to deliver in quicker, safer and reliable manner. Fourth feature is configuration management. It ensures the application to interact with only those resources that are concerned with the environment in which it runs. The configuration files are not created where the external configuration to the application is separated from the source code. The configuration file can be written during deployment or they can be loaded at the runtime, depending on the environment in which it's running. Okay, so these four are the features of DevOps architecture. Now we will discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of DevOps. DevOps is an excellent approach for quick development and deployment applications. It responds faster to the market changes to improve business growth. DevOps escalates business profit by decreasing software delivery time and transportation cost. DevOps clears the descriptive process which gives clarity on product development and delivery. It improves customer experience and satisfaction. DevOps simplifies collaboration and places all tools in cloud for customer to access. DevOps means collaboration, responsibility, which leads to better team engagement and productivity. Disadvantages of DevOps. DevOps professional or experts developers are less available. Developing with DevOps is so expensive. Adopting new DevOps technology into industry is hard to manage in short time, and lack of DevOps knowledge can be a problem in continuous integration of automation projects. Now we will discuss when to adopt DevOps. DevOps should be used for large distributed applications such as e-commerce site or application hosted on a cloud platform. And why we not use DevOps? Where we can use not DevOps? It should not be used in mission critical application like bank power and other sensitive data sites. Such application need strict access control on production environment, a detailed change management policy, access control policy to the data centers. Okay, so this is it for today's video lecture.